Dear all, today we are going to see the ADO-DC connection in Visual Basic 6.0. So for this, we're going to open the VB screen, and already we have created a database. So before that, let me create 3 label boxes. So I'll name this label box as name, this as date of birth, and this one as mobile number. So now I'm going to create the text boxes. The second one for date of birth, remove the text from the text property. The third one for the mobile number, remove the text from the text property. Now already we know how to create a database through the add insert visual data manager and open database Microsoft Access. Already I have created a database called as sample. So there are 3 fields: student name, date of birth, and mobile number. So now I'm going to give the ADO-DC connection. For that, go to project menu, components. We will get the component window, or you can directly right click on the toolbox, shows components, and I'm going to choose Microsoft ADO data control. This is the ADO-DC control. I'm going to give apply. We can see a new tool added to the toolbox. This is the ADO-DC tool. I'm going to give close. So now can we see ADO-DC? I'm going to choose this. I'm going to draw it on the form. Now we have given the ADO-DC control. Now we are going to give the connection. So to start with the connection, right click on ADO-DC, choose ADO-DC properties, and here from the use connection string, choose build. And we're going to choose Microsoft Jet 4.0 OLEDB database provider. Click next. Now we're going to choose the database which I have stored in the desktop. I'm going to choose this database. The name of the database is sample. And I'm going to test the connection, and it is successfully. Click OK. Now choose the record source, and from this drop down menu, choose ADCMD table, and the table name which you have created in the database has to display here. So what the table name which I created was sample table, and it's fine, it is displaying good here. Now I'm going to click apply and OK. Now choose the first field. This is the name field. Go to property, and when I click the data source, I will have to get ADO-DC because the connection we have connected, what is the connection of ADO-DC, and I'm going to choose this. Then the data field, when I click the drop down, the 3 fields which I created must display. So for this name field, I'm going to choose student name. In the same way, choose date of birth. In the data source, choose ADO-DC1, and in the data field, choose date of birth. In the same way, mobile number, choose ADO-DC1, data field, mobile number. And now I'm going to execute the program. So this is the first record, second record, the third record. Yes. Now a small tip. Right click on the toolbox, choose components again, and choose Microsoft data grid control, apply, okay. Now we can see the data grid control here. Draw it on the form. So I'll have the ADODC here. I'll give the form. I place the data grid control here. Now here choose the data grid, and from the data source choose ADODC 1. Now before that we'll choose the form and choose the window state as maximized. Now when we execute the program, we can see all the records in the data grid. So this is how we navigate. This is move first, move last, move previous, and move next. So this is the ADO-DC database connection in Visual Basic 6.0. We have also seen how to create the data grid control. Thank you for watching.